Can you evaluate this limit without using L'Hospital rule? Here we are asked to find the limit of root of x minus 2 divided by x minus 4 as x tends to 4. Please pay attention. Let us use direct substitution and see what we're going to obtain. All we have to do now is that first replace the value of x as 4 and let's see what we're going to obtain. Now I'm going to have root of x, okay, root of x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. Now replace x as 4. We're going to have root of 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 4. I'm going to have 0 over 0. Now, because the denominator of this fraction is 0, it is what? Undefined. It is undefined. Now, because it is undefined, we have to use another approach. Are you getting it? So, if you check the denominator, hello? Check the denominator. X can be written as what? Square root of x multiplied by square root of x. Is that not it? You want to check. Let's go. X raised to the power of half multiplied by x raised to the power of half. X raised to the power of half plus half, right? Half plus half is what? 1. X raised to the power of 1 is x. You can see. So we can rewrite the value of x as root of x times root of x. So let us proceed. The limit now becomes root of x minus 2 divided by root of x raised to the power of 2. Now, 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2, right? Hello, I've not done anything. Because when I use direct substitution, I obtain an undefined fraction. That means I have to use another method. So I check the denominator. I discover that x, which is at the denominator of the fraction or of the limit that I'm asked to take, can be written as the product of root of x. So replacing the value of x as root of x times root of x, that is what? Root of x squared, right? Now, 4 also can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. Recall that if you have a squared minus b squared, this can be written as a plus b multiplied by what? A minus b. This is what? Difference of 2 squared. So that means that root of x raised to the power of 2 minus 2 squared can be written as root of x minus 2 multiplied by root of x plus 2. Is that not it? So let us approach it like that. I'm going to have limit root of x minus 2 divided by root of x minus 2 multiplied by root of x plus 2. Don't forget the limit as x tends to 4. This can eliminate this, right? So at the numerator, we are left with what? 1. So I'm going to have 1 divided by root of x plus 2 as x tends to 4. Now, replace the value of x as 4. What are we going to have? We're going to have 1 over square root of 4 plus 2. 1 over square root of 4 is what? 2. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. So I'm going to have 1 over 4, which is the final answer. This is how to approach the question without using L'Hospital rule. Now, if you want to learn more on limits, there is a particular playlist on our YouTube channel. Check the playlist, okay? The questions are well simplified. In fact, there are 3 or more ways to evaluate the limit of a function without using L'Hospital rule. So you're going to see various ways of evaluating the limit of a function without the use of L'Hospital rule for questions of this kind, okay? So please just check the playlist. You're going to see diverse videos that you can watch to give you a more comprehensive knowledge as touching this concept, limit, okay? Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question as touching what we discussed in this class, do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.